Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss, quick and easy recipes. Greeting viewers and introducing the topic of healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. Mention the importance of starting your day with nutritious meals to support your weight loss goals. Briefly outline what viewers can expect from the video. Recipe 1: Overnight Oats. Ingredients: rolled oats, Greek yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, honey optional, fresh fruits. Preparation: combine oats, yogurt, almond milk, and chia seeds in a jar. Mix well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey if desired. Recipe 2: avocado toast. Ingredients: whole grain toast, ripe avocado, cherry tomatoes, basil leaves, lemon juice, salt, pepper. Preparation: toast the bread, mash avocado with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Spread avocado, mash on toast and top with sliced cherry tomatoes and basil leaves. Recipe 3: Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, granola preferably low sugar, its berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, honey optional. Preparation: layer Greek yogurt, granola, and mixed berries in a glass or bowl. Repeat layers, drizzle with honey for added sweetness if desired. Recipe 4: veggie egg muffins. Ingredients: eggs, spinach, bell peppers, onions, cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, olive oil. Preparation: preheat oven. In a bowl, whisk eggs with salt and pepper. Saute chopped vegetables in olive oil until tender. Divide veggies into muffin tin cups. Pour egg mixture over veggies. Bake until eggs are set. Conclusion and final tips. Recap the 4 healthy breakfast recipes shared in the video. Highlight the benefits of these recipes for weight loss and overall health. Encourage viewers to try these recipes and make healthy choices for breakfast. Invite viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas.